Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove your Google account from third-party access. Now this happens when you try logging in with any app or website and it tells you to log in with your email account, and once you log in with your email account, then the email account is now linked to that third-party website or app. I'm going to show you how to remove those third-party access. So if you are linked to a website which you have forgotten or have no use for a while and you want to remove it from there, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to remove it. So now you log into your email account. Now once you are logged into your email account, as you can see, I'm logged into my email account. Now move your cursor to where your image is located. So click on it as it drops down, and then you now click on manage your Google account. So click on that. Right, so as it opens this, now just as it opens your manage account dashboard, so just go to security. Now under security, you just scroll down and you have this. You can see we have this here, your connection to third-party apps and services. So you can see these are all apps which I'm linked to. So you can just click on see all. Right, so scroll down to see all your access to whatever third-party app or website that you are linked to. Now let's say I've not used this some FW for a while and I want to remove my email from their website from them accessing it. So you just click on it, and then as it opens, you can see keep track of your connection with some FW. So scroll down, you can see that we have here, so we have this delete all connections you have with some FW. So just click on it. Right, so as you can see, it says delete the connections you have with some FW, so confirm. Right, so now that is it. Now just move back, and if you scroll down here, you can see that we have no more some FW. That is just how to remove any third-party app or website that is linked to your email and you are no more using it. So let's scroll down again, so just see all connections. Now you can see that we have no some FW here. That is just how to remove your email from any third-party app or website from your email account. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.